Hello everyone, are you vegetarian or seeking healthier meal options? Do you enjoy incorporating tofu, which we call beske, into your dishes, whether it's egusi soup, snacks, chinchin, or any other tofu recipe? If so, this video is perfect for you. I will guide you through preparing delicious crispy tofu sticks from fresh tofu, featuring a secret ingredient that truly enhances the flavor and texture. Stay with me as I review these key steps that will step up your tofu recipes. So here I have a tofu, beautiful one. I prepare it by myself because I want the best of it. I know the ingredient that goes into it. And if you want to watch the video of how I created this tofu, I'll put the link in the description below. So starting with, I cut the tofu into two. And I start with the tofu stick because I'm also going to prepare tofu bar and crumbs that we use for egusi. So look at it, they look nice. So I'll just arrange this one and cut the stick. This tofu recipe is not only delicious but also super versatile, making it perfect for a wide range of dishes from snacks to soups. It's packed with plant-based protein, helping you stay healthy without sacrificing flavor. Best of all, it's a huge time saver. You can prepare these tofu sticks in advance and have a quick, tasty ingredient ready whenever you need it. This will make your next cooking session easier, faster, and more enjoyable. Wow, here we have the tofu stick. Can you see? They look so nice. I use this one for tofu recipe, tofu chinchin, and the likes. They look so nice. Alright, now I promise you I will tell you about a secret ingredient that I'm going to use. This is fish broth. This flavorful fish broth made from catfish holds the secret to transforming bland tofu. When allowed to soak, the tofu absorbs this natural essence, making every bite incredibly rich and satisfying. This is the secret to making your tofu so delicious. Now the next ingredient here is chili pepper, green chili and green scotch bonnet. Look at it, roughly grated, and also the seasoning, the scotch bonnet, the green scotch bonnet pepper and the chili grounded together. Then I have the salt. You need salt, and depending on where you are watching me from, this is Cameroon pepper. You can add the ingredient of your choice just to bring out the flavor. This is what I have, and I'm not going to put too much ingredients because I don't want contradicting flavor. I want it as natural as possible. So I will add water enough to make the tofu stick and bar soaked. So as you can see, I'll cover and it's time to cook. So on the fire, I put it there and allow it to cook over medium heat. So after some time, beautiful. Can you see? Oh my God, look at that tofu broth. Look at it, beautiful. So I'll put off the fire after cooking for like 20 minutes, and the tofu stick, let's just check. Wow, this pot is small for this. I think I will have to change the pot because I wanted to stir it. Let me give it a gentle stir. Okay, if you are enjoying this recipe so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy and delicious tofu ideas. Let me know in the comment below your choices of ingredients for this recipe. It tastes so nice. So you leave it here in the water, in the stock for like 6 to 8 hours. I did it in the evening, so I'll leave it till the next day. And the next day, this is what we have. This will allow the tofu stick to be really immersed in the ingredients and soaking all the goodness there. So the next day, this is what I have. So I will now sort everything into different parts, the tofu stick, the tofu bar, and the chunks that we use for my egusi soup. So let's go into that. So here we have the tofu stick. Looks nice for your tofu chinchin, your tofu recipes, and any type, your tofu salad. And now I'm packing the tofu bar. Those of us who are Nigerians, we know what this is to us. You can use this one for your stew, for your soup, for your vegetable soup. You can equally fry it and use it as a normal snack. Very delicious and tasty and equally healthy. So I'm packing it to put it in my deep freezer and to use. Here comes the tofu chunks, and look at it. So this one I will use for my egusi soup or vegetable soup. You can use this for egusi. Those of us who are Nigerian know what egusi soup. Instead of using melon, just use this as in place of your melon. And you can also use it for vegetable soup. Look at it, very nice. So as I'm breaking it, it look like a crumbed egusi. Will you try this recipe? You try it and let me know how it comes to be, and come and share with us in the comments. And lastly, here is the broth. Call it broth, yes. Tofu broth, meat broth, fish broth. This is tofu broth, and here is everything. Looks so nice. The stick, the bar, the chunks, and also the broth. And they are for different types of tofu or beske recipe, soya beans recipe, for vegetarians, for people who want to eat healthier and you want to avoid meat. Give this recipe a try and let me know in the comments how you use your tofu sticks. Be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss a tasty recipe from me. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.